So about 3 to 5 years ago, I decided to purchase my first in adult life instant camera. Since then, I had kept it for the most part in my vehicle. I had put it in the glove box and kind of left it there, didn't think about it. If I saw a photo that I wanted to capture and I didn't have my digital on me, I used this camera to capture those moments basically. Years have passed by since, and I have just been looking at this camera that has been sitting on my freaking nightstand, and I've been wanting to get it processed. The only photo that I really remember is a picture that I took the very first time that I had met my friend Alice. I can't remember if I actually took a picture of her or just the other guy who was playing guitar in that moment at Bean's Cafe. I can't remember, but I want to go and figure out what pictures I have on this camera. Just got back in the car from Walgreens and they gave me a customer receipt. I have to come back in 7 days and it should be ready. Finally ready. Yes, I got it! Hey, I got some new pictures. Let's go, come on. Let's see what's going on. It's been over a week. It's been almost 2 weeks actually. And finally they're ready. Finally they're here. And now it's time to see what photos I photographed so many years ago. That's the first one. Wow. I'm photographing things at night and the ISO is insane. Insane. Wow. It's really funny. Wow. Ah! Wow.